Hello guys, so today I'm going to explain you how can we solve this problem cutting a material. This is the first problem from July circuits, and you can see this problem in this contest is still running. I'm not gonna publish my video until the contest is over. So let's quickly read the problem statement. So we are given a circular material, and what we need to do is we need to find the maximum number of pieces that we can make out of this material by using n number of straight cuts. So basically the input format is that we are given number of test cases, and each test case contains a single line, a single integer which denotes the number of straight cuts we are allowed to make. And as you can see here, with the zero number of cut we cannot we can have only one slice, the whole circular disc itself. And then using 4 we can make 11. So let me show you how we can approach this one. So as you can see here, yeah, if we are allowed to use only one cut, so basically what we can do is we can just simply, let me just use a different one. So if we were allowed to use only one straight cut, we could only make two slices out of it. And if we are allowed to make two cuts, we could make four slices out of it. If we are allowed to make three cuts, the common mistake that we can follow here is that we would try to make something like this, and this would give us only six slices, although we can basically have more than that. Let me just get out of the full screen here. And this is the way we can make more than six. So as you can see here we'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this small triangle here which would be overall 7. Similarly, if I were allowed to use four cuts, I would make a cut along this way. This would give me basically overall 11 number of slices. And similarly, if you're allowed to use five cuts, you can make 16 out of it. So yeah, the common pattern here that I could see was that the number of slices which were added once I use one more extra line is equals to the total number of lines that we currently have. So basically, as here you can see, the total number of slices we have is 4, and once we add one more line, it will make total number of lines equals to 3. So the number of slices would be equals to 7. And similarly, if I add one more line, this would be total number of line will be 4, and the total slices that I had previously was 7. So 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Similarly here, the number of lines is now 5, so total cuts will be 11 plus 5, that is 16. So yeah, that's the general pattern that I found. If you guys have better mathematical proof for this one, I definitely believe there must be, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to learn about this. Now let me quickly show you how can we code this one. So yeah, there is one disclaimer here that we need to use 64-bit variable to read and write all, to store and read all the variables, because n can be as big as 10 raised to the power 8. And if you follow along the pattern here that we just seen, we can come up with this formula that for each given n, the answer is basically n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So yeah, this is what I've done. I've taken a long variable, and yeah, I've defined L is equals to long here, and then n multiplied by n plus 1, and then dividing by 2, and then in the end I'll add plus 1. And yeah, as you can see, this runs for 100 points. So I hope I was able to explain you guys. Please let me know in the comment section below if there is any feedback or any comments for me. Yep, thanks for watching this video guys.